The 2014 Infiniti Q60. In the 2008 model year, Infiniti released the G37 Coupe, as the replacement for the G35 that it initially unveiled in 2003. The model received a small facelift for the 2011 model year, but nothing else has changed since. For the 2014, Infiniti renamed it according its new naming strategy. The Q refers to it being a coupe and the 60 indicates that it sits just above the Q50 sedan in Infiniti's lineup. The model didn't receive any major updates, with exception of some updates to the exterior and interior colors, and some new standard features. Everything else remains pretty much unchanged, including the powerful V6 engine found under the hood. As expected, Infiniti offers the 2014 Q60 in three different configurations: Q60, Q60 AWD and Q60S Coupe 6MT, with prices starting at $40,400 for the base model. Click past the jump to read more about the 2014 Infiniti Q60. Exterior. The 2014 Q60 will carry over the same design language seen on the G37 Coupe model. Up front, the Q60 features a double-arch grille and L-shaped, high-intensity discharge (HID) bifunctional, xenon headlights. Around back, the Q60 offers large LED taillights, rear underbody air diffusers and large, dual exhaust outlets with chrome finishers. Unlike the G37 Coupe, though, for the Q60 comes in just 6 exterior colors: moonlight white, blue slate, Venetian ruby, black obsidian, liquid platinum and graphite shadow. 2014 Infiniti Q60 standard exterior features: high-intensity discharge (HID) bifunctional xenon headlights, automatic on-off headlights, front fog lights, LED rear brake lights and center high-mounted stoplight (CHMSL), aluminum hood with gas struts to hold hood open, remote power opening of windows using Infiniti Intelligent Key, closing via key in exterior door lock, dual power outside mirrors, heated outside mirrors, speed sensing, flat blade variable intermittent front windshield wipers, rear window defroster with indicator light and timer, dual chrome exhaust finishers. Exterior dimensions. Interior. As we have become used to from Infiniti, the interior is all about combining a sporty feeling with a high level of luxury in an attempt to offer the driver the best experience behind the wheel. To achieve this, Infiniti oriented the cockpit perfectly for both the driver and front passenger area, giving both clear access to all the goodies. Additionally, the instrument panel features the usual Infiniti signature, double-wave design, giving it a high-end look. The Q60 offers a standard leather-covered steering wheel and solid magnesium paddle shifters for the 7-speed, automatic versions. 2014 Infiniti Q60 standard interior features: leather-appointed seating, 8-way power driver's seat with adjustable lumbar support, 8-way power front passenger's seat, heated front seats, silk OB aluminum interior trim, leather-wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel and shift knob with aluminum accent, aluminum doorsill, kick plates with Infiniti logo, 6-speaker audio system with AM, FM, CD with MP3 playback capability, radio data system (RDS), and speed-sensitive volume control. Exterior dimensions. Drivetrain. Under its hood, the 2014 Q60 carries over the G37 Coupe's 3.7-liter V6 engine that delivers a total of 330 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. As a standard feature, Infiniti offers an electronically controlled 7-speed, automatic transmission with a manual shift mode, downshift rev matching, drive sport (DS) mode and adaptive shift control (ASC). For customers that prefer to row their own gears in the traditional, 2-foot manner, Infiniti offers an optional 6-speed, manual transmission. Infiniti didn't release performance specs on the new Q60, but independent testing put the outgoing G37 Coupe at 60 miles per hour in the high 5-second range, and we assume the Q60 will carry the same, quick sprint time. Prices. Options. Competition. 2014 BMW 4 Series Coupe. Infiniti built the G37 Coupe as a cheaper alternative to models like the BMW 3 Series Coupe. As an interesting coincidence, for the 2014 model year the 3 Series Coupe gets supplanted by the 4 Series, and Infiniti renamed the G37 Coupe the Q60. While the G37 Coupe had no issues beating the 3 Series Coupe, thanks to the 3 Series keeping the old Bimmer face, the new Q60 could have some problems with the new 4 Series. The BMW model adopted a more aggressive look, the new BMW face, and is better equipped. The only disadvantage that the 4 Series has is that it is less powerful than the Q60, with exception of the upcoming M4 Coupe. The BMW 4 Series is offered on the US market in 2 versions. The base model is the 428i, which makes use of a 2.0-liter, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 240 horsepower. The up-level 435i comes with a twin-power turbo 3.0-liter, inline 6-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower. The BMW 4 Series Coupe is priced from $41,425. 2014 Audi A5 Coupe. Another great luxury coupe is the 2014 A5 Coupe. Sure, Audi could do a lot better with its exterior, but the A5 delivers a great level of sportiness, premium luxury, and comes in at a relatively low price. The A5 comes in 3 different trim levels: Premium, Premium Plus and Prestige. All 3 trims all powered by a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 211 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The A5 is a little bit cheaper, it starts from $39,000. Conclusion: Infiniti is locked in an uphill battle to overtake its German rivals, and the renaming of the G37 may hinder this battle, as customers become accustomed to Tay strategy. Fortunately, the Q60 retains all of the looks and quickness of the G37, so it should be a relatively quick adjustment. Love it, more powerful than competition, still as sexy as the G37, huge amounts of luxury. Leave it as a little bit expensive, could use a slight update in the near future.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.